is on the subtitles. So, paragraph writing on the computer. The computer is the one most brilliant gift of science. This device was originally developed by Charles Babbage. Most countries have developed fast due to computerization. Writing a program is essential for a computer. Speed, accuracy, reliability, and integrity are main characteristics of a computer. Many of the routine activity today at home and in business are done by computers. The computers has proved a friend and servant of science, technology, and industry. Most officers, shops, factories, and industries use computers. The internet is a storehouse of information. The computer is born to all. Telecommunication and satellite imaginaries are computer based. Computer has made the world a global village today. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको कुछ थोड़ा सा भी इसमें समझ आया तो वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। मैं ऐसी ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लाता रहता हूँ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। और हाँ, अगर आपको जानना है कि हम समय का सही से उपयोग कैसे कर सकते हैं तो आप मेरी इन दोनों को वीडियो जाकर अभी वॉच कर लेना।